Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play golf in Terraria. First, you'll need to gather your essential equipment, a golf club and a golf ball. These items are crucial for starting your golfing adventure. Next, find a suitable area to construct your course. You can design it with different terrains and obstacles to make each hole unique and challenging. Remember, the objective is to sink the ball into the golf cup using the fewest possible swings, just like real golf. Building your course is where the creativity truly shines. Begin by using a golf whistle to designate your starting point or tee. Then, strategically place a golf cup where you want the hole to end. Consider using various block types, such as dirt, stone, or even clouds, to create diverse terrain. Don't forget to add some challenging elements like water hazards, sand traps, or steep inclines to test your skills and make each hole exciting. For an easy method, begin with simpler, flatter courses to get a feel for the game mechanics. Always utilize the aiming guide. It's a fantastic tool that shows you exactly where your ball will go. You can adjust the power of your swing by holding down the mouse button for longer or shorter durations. Mastering short putts is also key. Practice these close-range shots to ensure you sink the ball efficiently and reduce your overall stroke count. Once you've mastered the basics, try experimenting with the different types of golf clubs available, each offering unique shot characteristics. Pay close attention to how various terrains, like ice or honey, influence your ball's bounce and roll. Golf in Terraria is even more enjoyable with friends, whether you're competing for the lowest score or simply having a good time. Keep playing to improve your golf score and unlock exciting achievements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.